In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Confluence page as HTML. By the end, you'll have a clean HTML copy of a specific page that you can share, archive, or host locally. First, log into your Confluence account so you have access to your workspaces. From the home screen, locate the space that contains the page you want to export. Spaces organize your pages, so make sure you're in the correct one. Next to the space name, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More Actions menu, and click it. From that menu, open Space Settings. This is where you'll find the export tools and other administrative options for the space. In Space Settings, look at the left-hand panel, expand the General section if it isn't already open, and select Export Space. You might notice slight wording differences depending on your Confluence version, but the option will still be labeled for exporting the space. When the export screen opens, you'll choose the export format. Click Advanced Options to reveal more choices. Select HTML as the format. HTML is great because it produces a set of files you can open in any web browser without Confluence. After choosing HTML, click Next to proceed. Now you'll decide exactly what to include. Choose the option that lets you select what to export. This keeps the export focused and avoids pulling the entire space. Start by deselecting all so nothing is included by default. Then, in the page tree, select the specific page you want to export. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct page, especially if your space has similar titles or multiple versions. When you're ready, click Export. The system will package your selection into an HTML export. Depending on the size of the page and any embedded content, this may take a little time, so wait for it to complete. Once it's done, you'll see a prompt to download your file. Click Download to save it to your computer. Your download typically arrives as a zip file. Inside, you'll find an index.html or a page-specific HTML file, along with folders for images and attachments. Open the HTML file in your browser to verify everything looks right. If you don't see the export space option, you may need additional permissions from a space administrator, as exporting is sometimes restricted. That's it. Your Confluence page is now exported as HTML and ready to use anywhere you need it. Thanks for watching.